City Noise by William Rowland, translated by Jeanette McKenna. Because I prefer city noise to the silence of silence, because I prefer the bustle of panting bodies to the space of spaces, because I prefer the diesel fumes of metric Mondays to the lushness of winds and woods, I am an orphan among flower people. Oh, the floral kingdom abounds in symbolism of death, for death marches out with green banners, follows light with heliotropic hunger, spreads its power as through osmosis. But the partial pain of flower and leaf is merely a small example of the massive machine churning around us. Lonely you are, Breadbrother, bloodbrother of the felt, lonelier even I, gardener of concrete, poet of the song of robot and factory.